हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चांस टू लर्न। अगर आप इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहते हो लेकिन किसी स्ट्रेंजर से बात स्टार्ट करने में डर लगता है, स्पेशली किसी गर्ल से, देन दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू। आज हम सीखेंगे कि किसी अननोन पर्सन से पोलाइटली कैसे बात शुरू करें बिना ऑकवर्ड हुए। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Hello, may I know your name?
Hi, my name is Neha. By the way, who are you?
My name is Rahul, and I am from Delhi.
Oh, okay. Do you know me?
No, I don't know you, but I will know you very soon now.
Oh, okay. By the way, what do you do?
I am a student. I am pursuing BA. What about you?
I am doing nursing. I am in second year.
Oh, that's amazing. Can we be friends?
Fine, but I will think over it and tell you.
Okay, I will wait for your response.
Yeah, I will tell you very soon.
If you don't mind, can I have your number?
I can't give you my number right now because my brother will scold me.
So friends, this is how you can start and end a conversation in English without fear and without hesitation. See you in the next video. Bye bye.